Have you ever experienced the intense struggle of scraping your pockets only to find them empty? Let's explore the intriguing link between mindset and wealth accumulation. How can the human psyche shape financial habits and grow savings? We'll delve into unconventional money mindsets and financial concepts that prioritize needs over wants. This is about redefining necessities and luxuries, embracing financial self-discipline, and working towards a healthier financial life. An epic adventure awaits, set to reshape not just your lifestyle, but your wallet. Next, we have the mindset of embracing DIY culture, a mindset rooted in optimism, promoting self-creation. A growing shift towards this lifestyle is evident in our changing world. It's about the thrill of creation and the satisfaction of completing a project on your own. DIY isn't just for hobbyists, but for those seeking to explore and innovate. It's a lifestyle choice that challenges and transforms our everyday approach. It's about resourcefulness and acquiring skills, regardless of age or skill level. It empowers you to build and learn. It encourages stepping out of your comfort zone and tackling challenges, fostering self-reliance and independence. It transforms problems into opportunities for growth, focusing not on perfection, but on the journey and learning from our mistakes. By doing tasks yourself instead of hiring others, you not only save money, but also gain a sense of accomplishment. Our third mindset is planning your meals. It's a fundamental strategy, especially for those who enjoy food. Meal planning is a cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle, requiring discipline and foresight. By organizing meals, you create a routine, bringing understanding to your dietary needs and daily habits. It's a beautiful blend of nutrition and enjoyment that requires no compromise. Though it may initially seem challenging, meal planning is proactive towards health. It offers numerous benefits besides cost saving, acting as a method of self-care. It considers the nutritional, emotional, and psychological aspects of what we consume. Financially, a well-planned meal schedule lets you track your expenditures on nutritious food. The saved funds can be for fitness or education. Moreover, meal planning allows for healthier food alternatives, letting you experiment with new recipes while maintaining a balanced diet. This practice improves your relationship with food, giving you control over your health. It also fosters family time, encouraging cooperation and communication. By planning and cooking at home, you make healthier choices and save money. Start today and embrace the journey to a healthier, happier life through mindful meal planning. Transitioning now to our fourth mental approach, that is the utilization of coupons and discounts. This isn't just about penny pinching, it's a journey towards value-conscious spending. It encourages a strategic shopping perspective, evaluating not just the price tag, but also the product's worth. It promotes the smart use of discounts and offers to maximize benefits. It's about navigating the market intelligently. This approach sharpens your shopping skills and consumer instincts, making you proficient in deal hunting. It balances the significance of savings with valuing the power of money. Now, coupons are more than just paper cuts from newspapers. They've evolved with technology. Promo codes and cashback apps have redefined savings, becoming indispensable tools. They make shopping more efficient and economical. It's a shift in consumer behavior, making every penny count. With this mindset, you're not only a consumer, but a wise shopper. Shopping is not just about spending anymore, but about saving and making smart decisions. Finally, we have the mindset of practicing gratitude. It's not just about financial abundance, but also emotional wealth. This attitude broadens our perception to the bounty present in our lives, illuminating the positive factors we often neglect. This could be as simple as a morning coffee or the shelter of our home. Once we start appreciating these minor things, we begin to see their true worth, recognizing that they're the significant things disguised. Gratitude alters our viewpoint from scarcity to plenty, dissatisfaction to contentment. It nudges us to value more than we desire, enabling us to see the world with appreciative eyes. It affects our lives on various levels, enabling us to acknowledge and treasure life's gifts. It encourages mindfulness, reducing impulsive shopping. By appreciating what we possess, we feel less driven to acquire more, which aids in efficient money management. Gratitude becomes a lifestyle that promotes respect for what we already have, ensuring that we stay in the present moment. Adopting the gratitude mindset not only improves financial health, but also enhances overall life quality, ultimately saving money in the process. In conclusion, your perception of money can greatly influence your savings ability. It's about viewing money as a tool, not as an enemy or friend. If used wisely, it can provide you with comfort. Adopting the right mindset about money compels you to build your wealth, It's not about self-deprivation, but future needs. Small, consistent changes in financial habits create steady progress, not abrupt changes. These daily decisions enhance your savings gradually. It's a journey when you decide to manage finances. Begin today, adopt these mindsets, and pave your way to financial wellness. Let your savings create a wave of stability and prosperity. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the button and subscribe for more insights like these. To learn how to avoid wasting money, check out this video.